Good afternoon. Today we are going to be unboxing Gramma In A Box. This is my daughter's favorite subscription box that we get so far, especially food-wise. She absolutely loves this box. So if you haven't seen any of my other Gramma In The Box unboxings, stay tuned to find out what is inside. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions from men's, women's, kids, pets, beauty, food, and everything in between. If I haven't unboxed it, I probably will be soon. Today I have Gramma In A Box. Gramma In A Box is by far my daughter's favorite food subscription just because she gets to make the treats herself. Each box comes with 3 different treat projects. They are super cute. Grandma Terry themes each box to something going on that month. So this box is the January box. It is New Year's related, and she always adds some stickers to the box to just kind of go along with that theme. Here is a sneak peek at everything that's inside the box. Each box contains cards to let you know what the projects are, the theme, and that sort of thing. So the theme for this one is New Year and football treats. And then our first project are New Year sparklers. They are pretzels dipped in melting chocolate. I like on the back of these cards it gives you a list of the ingredients, so if there's anything you are allergic to, it is very easy to find out what the ingredients are. You don't have to go searching for them. The front of the cards tells you a very detailed description of how to do it. They're very clear instructions. We have a bag of popcorn for our second project. A container of melting chocolate, and it's white chocolate with like little colored confetti pieces in there, and that's going to be for our first 2 projects. We have a little bag of pretzel rods for our sparklers, a container of what looks to be cranberries, and I think that's going to be for our popcorn mix for the second project. We have a small container of peanuts also for the second project. And then we have all the little decorating containers. On top we have a blue icing sugar, and then in the middle we have chocolate, I don't know if they're called jimmies or, you know, like the long sprinkles. I think jimmies are the multicolored ones. I don't know. The long sprinkles, and then gold colored sugar on the bottom. And then over here we have multicolored baby, like Hershey Kiss, not Hershey Kisses, but like chocolate chip type of candy. We have just like normal round sprinkles, again very brightly colored, super cute. And I know these containers look tiny, but we always have leftovers, so no need to worry about running out. Then we have our 3 little bags of colored frosting for our cookies. We have blue, yellow, and brown this time. We have our cookies. We have 2 cookies that are shaped like 2s and 2 cookies that are shaped like 0s for 2020. We have 2 football shaped cookies and then 2 shooting star shaped cookies. And last but not least, because Grandma Terry thinks of everything, we have 2 pieces of wax paper. I like to put them down on my table, one where we're working and one where the finished products are going. And then it's almost no mess to clean up. Once everything's done, we just grab all the wax paper and throw it out, or parchment paper. I think this is actually parchment paper. But anyhow, we just easily grab it all, pitch it, the table's nice and clean. Super easy cleanup. We are going to pop on over into the kitchen, and my daughter and I will do everything and video it for you guys, walk you through it just a little bit. And yeah, normally it takes us close to 30 minutes to do all 3 projects. So they're not super long and intensive. Now it's just my daughter and I. Maybe if I had more kids trying to do it, it would be longer. But in general, it doesn't take us that long, and we have a lot of fun with it. The project we're going to start with first is the New Year sparklers. We're going to take 6 of the thicker pretzel rods, dip them into white chocolate, and then put some sprinkles on top of them. By the time we are done with the cookies, the first two projects are already dried and set up. Here we have our pretzel rod sparklers. And then we have our game day popcorn, which was super simple, super easy, and all the ingredients would be super easy to get at the grocery store. So if you want to make like a large batch of this for maybe Super Bowl Sunday or something like that, it would be super easy to make, and I'm sure it tastes great. And then down here we have all of our cookies, our footballs, our fireworks, and our 2020. Those are all the projects. My daughter loves the cookies. Each month that is her favorite to make, but not necessarily to eat. She eats cookies. Who doesn't eat cookies? Sometimes though she likes the pretzels better than the cookies. But super fun. The popcorn. Yeah, it was a cute idea. I love it. The creativity here is just great. Each box is different and new, and yet similar enough that if you're getting them on a regular basis, you kind of have an idea of what to do. Like the pretzels dipped in white chocolate, we've done similar things like that before. The cookies each month, they're always different shapes, different colors, different sprinkles, but it's always cookies. So you kind of know what to expect in the boxes. It's not completely new, completely different, and you're trying to figure out the instructions each month. There might be one or two new projects, but all in all, they're generally very similar projects, so they're very easy to figure out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!